Now student, we are going to discuss question number 5.25, and in this question it is given to you the magnetic moment vectors mu s and mu l associated with the intrinsic spin angular momentum s and orbital angular momentum I L, actually this is L, respectively of an electron are predicted by quantum theory. Okay, fine. Now we have to find which of these relation is in accordance with the result expected classically, outline the derivation of classical result. So first let us try to understand this concept is very simply. So let's suppose if we talk about some modern physics, clear? Now let's suppose here we have nucleus, clear, and now around this nucleus definitely electron revolve, clear. So let's suppose I am taking this is an electron, it is going with certain velocity v, distance between this nucleus and electron we have r, clear. So first, can we calculate here value of current? Yes, value of current, this is given by total charge per unit time. So let's suppose we can say an electron is revolving around this nucleus and time taken in a one time period, that is capital T. So can we calculate here this value of time period? Yes. So we can write like this, value of I, this is equal to E divided by 2 pi r divided by V. Yes. So from here I can say this is equal to EV over 2 pi r, clear. Now my objective here is to find relation between angular momentum, clear, or we can say that is magnetic moment. So if I say here magnetic moment let's representing by mu L, clear, and it is given by that is I multiply A, clear. So value of current, this is given to you EV divided by 2 pi r and multiplied with pi r square, clear. So from here we can say pi and pi cancel, r and r is cancel. So we can write like this, EVR divided by 2, clear. Now we know very well, if we are talking about magnetic moment, angular momentum is given by m r cross v, clear to everyone. We can say this is given by m r cross v. Now you can say what is direction of r? We can say this one, r cross v means we can say here we are having direction of angular momentum, that is this one, that is vertically upward, clear. But what is the direction of this magnetic moment? Direction of this magnetic moment is given by direction of area vector, clear. And area vector direction, you can say actually electron is revolving in anti-clockwise direction if you are looking at the top, but actual direction of a current we have in clockwise direction. So we will take here this direction opposite to this one, clear. That's why you can say if we write here just magnitude, L is given by mvr, clear. So let's suppose I am saying this value, we are just saying magnitude, this is equation number 1, equation number 2, clear. So now if you divide equation 1 by 2, so mu L divided by L, this is given by EVR by 2 and divide by MVR. EVR divided by 2 and this is MVR. VR, this is cancelled out, clear, and this is equal to E divided by 2M, clear. So now if you write in a vector form, you can say mu L vector, this is given by minus times of E by 2M, this is L vector, clear. So this derivation we are getting from classical theory, clear. Now you can say, sir, what is this? Actually this is also this relation between angular momentum, or we can say magnetic moment, this is also predicted like this, and this is due to now modern physics, clear, or we can say this is due to quantum theory, and definitely this is also an experimentally proof, but we cannot explain the derivation of this expression by using this classical theory, clear. So this is all about this question. So dear student, this is all about class 12 chapter number 5, magnetism and matter. So hope you enjoyed this session, clear. Here I explained you the each and every question in a detailed solution, as well as you will find some key concept related to theory also, clear. So this is all about this session. So thank you so much.